see a new invention go up in another plume of smoke. Come one, come all, come laugh at every good intention. Now the punchline of a joke. I tried my best, check it out, that's the best I got for now. I'm looking for a good idea that doesn't fall apart so fast. I'm looking for a good idea that you can understand, you can understand. I'm looking for one good thing that doesn't have to fade with time. Doesn't need to be great, just need a good idea for once in my life. Oh hey, gather round, check out this awesome thing I found. Sure, I know it's not impressive, but which of you can say you tried? Which of you brought things to life? I can't be the only one who needed some attention. I tried my best, check it out.